plus tax, which is way less than what I was actually gonna pay for a brand new one. And these is pretty much in great shape. The only thing about them is used, and alright, y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing. Well, not really unboxing, but I'm gonna be showing you guys my new, pretty much tail light that I bought, or brake light, I want to call it, whatever you want to call it, that I bought. But before I begin showing you guys that, I want to say welcome back to the video. I hope you guys had a great Thursday, and if you're here for your first time, this is my 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. This truck pretty much is what this channel is based off of, and definitely if you a Mopar fan or a fan of these trucks, definitely go ahead, hit that subscribe button, support the channel, and let me show you guys exactly what's on the inside of this box. I'll show you guys that right now. This looked like I think this is the right or left side. This is the right side. So this side, pretty much. But this is pretty much badass, I ain't gonna lie. Now, this might, like I said before, when I was gonna purchase a brand new one of these, but for some reason it turns out that I ended up finding this on their website for, I think it was about 50% off, or half. It was like half of what I was gonna pay. Because these brand new is probably, I think probably somewhere around like $350 or $400, somewhere around there. So I ended up paying $185 out the door plus tax, which is way less than what I was actually gonna pay for a brand new one. And these is pretty much in great shape. The only thing about them is used, and it's an open box used, which I don't mind, because at the end of the day, this got to go in that car and it's still gonna look pretty clean and stuff. So I mean, it's still gonna look the same. It's not gonna be brand new forever. But I'm looking at these right now. They are in, I'll be real with you guys, these are definitely in real good shape. They came out, this is my first time seeing these in person close up, and they look crazy. Show you guys the other side. So this is the right side. I'll show you guys the other side. Trying to be gentle. This goes in. So this is the left side. So this is pretty much in real good shape, I'll say. The only thing about this is it has a little bit of dust on it, because you can tell it's been sitting for a little bit, but these headlights is definitely badass, I ain't gonna lie. Definitely badass, y'all. But I'm about to put these back in the box. So y'all, I just show you guys pretty much my new AlphaRex tail light or brake lights, whatever you want to call them. They just came in today. They were supposed to come in yesterday, but for some reason, I don't know why it ain't coming yesterday. I was trying to get it installed yesterday, and I just got home today. Really, it's an easy, simple installing thing, this and that, a third, but right now I just have to there's a couple of things I got to do. That's why I'm not actually going to be installing it today. So, but tomorrow, the goal probably to be able to get it done probably tomorrow, because tomorrow's Good Friday. I'm actually off tomorrow, and should be able to get it done tomorrow or Saturday. If not Saturday, because tomorrow I got to schedule. Tomorrow, the goal, the plan for tomorrow is for me to finally take this truck to go get my coilovers and lowering springs actually put on this truck tomorrow. So honestly, I'm be real, you guys. This is something that should have been done long time ago, but it was just so much ish going on. I ordered the wrong parts, all that, and then I had to wait to get scheduled and all that things. But good news is I'm gonna be getting it done tomorrow for sure. And I'm actually that's gonna be a whole different video. I'm gonna be recording, showing you, show you guys pretty much like the process, how it's gonna look. And I'm kind of real like, I'm real happy about that, because if you guys know your car guy, when you have some kind of parts that you've been waiting on and it's finally time for you to get it installed on there, it just bring like that excitement. And that's exactly how I'm feeling right now. But with that being said, like these tail lights now, one thing I want to say, I'm not gonna say every parts I order I do an open box. Certain parts and stuff, this like, to be real, this is like my first time doing that. But certain parts, I feel like if you're gonna buy some kind of parts, like stuff like headlights, tail lights, and you know sometimes, especially brand like AlphaRex, kind of pricey, to be on the smart side, if it's a good website, to be on the smart side to save yourself some money, always try to go with like the open box. You know, obviously they show pictures and stuff, confirm everything still works. And also they have a 30-day return policy. But I seen that these was kind of like, was like one of them deals where I just couldn't pass on. And it ain't make sense for me to get like a brand new tail light, spend dang near $400. And then within like a week or so, once they get on the car, they're gonna be looking like how these look. It's gonna get a little bit dusty and stuff like that. But you know, it is what it is. It's not me. I'm just glad I took the route of saving myself a lot of money. And I'm glad they had, like, that was like the only one that they had too, which was a crazy part. It took me at least like a day or two to really think about that part, which is crazy, but I had to. And I'm actually happy that they came in and they look real good. The only thing is just a little bit dusty, which I do not mind 100%, but they definitely look good. I'm definitely gonna be getting these installed. I just wait for, I might as well just wait till Saturday, because I do have my front fog light coming in, new ones that smoked out coming in from Amazon. Then I have the back lights also that's going to be coming from Amazon. So I might as well just be able to make that all one video and be able to do my tail light, fog light, and my third brake light. It make more sense instead of me having to do all one separate. But that's the goal for this weekend. Got some mods I'm going to be doing to this truck. And my next biggest thing after lowering this truck, I'm looking into doing some camshaft, custom cam, all that. But definitely I want you guys to keep supporting the channel. If you supporting the channel already, I appreciate it. And definitely give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.